We are Wenger. We make the extruders and dryers that make the world's favorite products. But we're more than manufacturing. Much more. We're an ever-expanding global family of pioneers, problem solvers, scientists, stargazers. Innovation is in our DNA. We forge pathways to territories uncharted, venturing outside imagination and comfort zones. At Wenger, we push boundaries so you can too. Because long before your products even hit the shelves, we're rolling up our sleeves and getting to work. We're not on the sidelines. We're your partner on the front lines. Designing processes to deliver your product done right. Building systems that match your business needs. Standing alongside you to find solutions. Again, and again, and again. We are pushing forward to a brave new world made with innovation and partnership. And that brings us to success.